So I bought from IKEA the IDASEN or IDASEN desk. I don't know how you correctly pronounce that in Swedish. I'm gonna go on and unbox it, go through the setup process, and at the end I'm gonna tell you about it. This is it. You can set it up by your own, but at the final step, you will need help as the desk will be upside down. Overall weight, somewhere between 30 to 35 kilos. The top has a polished dark brown shade, but you can feel the wood texture. There's a black wood alternatively and dark gray frame. The length is 160 centimeters. But alternatively, there is a 120 centimeters version of this one. The depth is 8 centimeters and it's 2 centimeters thick. The height is adjustable, but I recommend you determine the desired height before placing any equipment on the desk, as you will have to turn it upside down to adjust the height. In order to adjust the height, you will have to unscrew 2 screws. This one and this one. Below and on the back there is a cable management net, which I have to figure out how it works as it is very tight. Anyway, this feels solid and good quality. If you enjoyed this, please don't forget to push the like and subscribe buttons below. Check my channel for other reviews and more. Thank you very much.